In this video, I'm going to show you how to always run a program as an administrator. So this should be a quick and easy process video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. The first thing you need to do is to go ahead to your search menu. Just type in the program that you want or the app that you want to run as administrator always. Just right-click on it as like this. And then click on Open File Location. And then after that, just go ahead, right-click on it here. And then click on Run as Administrator if you want to run it as a one-time. As you can see right now. And then after that, if you want it always to run as an administrator, just go ahead, go back to the program. Just right-click on it. And then click on Show More Options. And then after that, just click on Properties. And then just make sure you are on the shortcut right here. Click on Advanced. And then check mark Run as Administrator. Then click on OK. Click on Apply. Continue. And then OK. So this was how to always run a program as an administrator. As always, thank you for watching.